Good morning, students. Let we start today class. Today we are going to see type of functions. So already in earlier classes we discussed about functions. What is function? Every domain element has unique image in codomain. It is called function. So in that function, some types are there. That types we are going to see. Okay. First of all, you see. First one is one function. 1-to-1 function or 1-1 function. Next, many one function. Many one function. Next one, onto function. Then next, into function. Into function. Then last one is bijection. Bijection function. Okay, in this 5 we are going to discuss now. First one, what is 1-1 function? You see in your book, page number 20, you see all the function it is given. Okay, the definition it is given. It is easy. First one is 1-1 function. What is that? So first see this arrow diagram, then you will understand. You consider the two set A and B. Then A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B set elements are A, B, C, D, E, F. Then the function is compared. 1 is tends to A, then 2 tends to B, then 3 tends to D, then 4 tends to C. 4 tends to C. Okay. So like that it is given. What is the definitions of 1-1? You see, distinct element in distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Distinct images in B. You know already what is images. B set elements are called images. Yes. So distinct element in A have distinct images in B. It is called 1-1. So see A1, the number 1 has distinct image. Okay. So can tell this distinct or else different element in A have different images in B. Okay. Differently want to be there. Okay. Image. Pre-image and the image differently want to be there. It's want to mapped. Okay. So distinct element in A have distinct images in B. So it is called 1-1 function. Okay. That means 1 different images A, 2 different images B, 3 different images D, 4 different images C. And then here all elements want to be mapped. Okay. All the pre-image element, all the A elements want to be matched. So it is called 1-1 function. Okay. Then next, what is many one function? Next you see many one function. So you consider the arrow diagram. A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. B set elements are only 3 elements A, B, C. So here what is many one function means 2 or more elements. 2 or more elements. 2 or more elements of A have same image in B. Same image in B, it is called many one function. 2 or more elements. Suppose here 1 and 2, see 1 and 2 they have same image A. That means this is not 1-1. Yes, it is a many one. So suppose 1, 2, 3 also can map into A. Then 4 is map into B also. Okay. So at the same time here 2 or more elements in A have same image in B. So it is called many one function. Okay. Here 1 and 2 are the same image. 3 different images there. 4 also images is there. So it is called many one function. So this is 1-1 and this is many 1-1. Then next, which one means onto function. Next see onto function. What is onto function? At the same many one function we used at this diagram, arrow diagram. At the same we are using onto function also. Okay. 1-1 and many one we will compare from domain. Domain to codomain we will compare. But onto function means from codomain elements you want to compare. Okay, from codomain elements want to compare. Here two definitions are there, you can use any one. Here what does that mean? Range of f is equal to codomain. Range of f is equal to codomain. Then means here range. Range means already you know. Mapped elements are called range. Mapped codomain elements are called range. So here range is ABC and codomain elements are B is the codomain elements. A is the domain elements. So you know already. Okay, A set and B set it is given means A is domain, B is codomain. So codomain elements also ABC, range is also ABC. So it is equal means it is onto function, or else another one definition. What does that means? Every element in, now we are comparing codomain element. So every element in B has pre-image in A. Every element in B has pre-image in A. So see, A pre-image, two pre-images are there. It's not a problem. At least one pre-image want to be there. So that A pre-image is 1 and 2, B pre-image is 3, then C pre-image is 4. Okay, so all the B element have pre-images. So our pre-image want to be there. Every element in B has pre-image in A. It is called onto function. Okay. So one and many one we want to compare from domain set, but onto function means we want to compare with the codomain set. Okay, codomain, from codomain elements we want to compare. Next into function. Next you see into function. What is into function? Look at the diagram. Okay, so while seeing itself we can find it is one also. Yes, so distinct element in A have distinct images in B. So 1 has distinct, 2 has distinct image, then 3 has distinct image, 4 has distinct image. Okay, this is one also we can tell. And then how we want to tell this is into function means this definition. What does that means? Range of f is a proper subset of, already I have explained what is that proper subset. Proper subset of codomain. Proper subset of codomain. That is, range is a proper subset means this. Yes, it is a proper subset symbol. Proper subset of codomain. So see here range, while writing range, A, B, C, D only range. Mapped elements are called range. Is a subset of, proper subset of codomain elements are what is that? A, B, C, D, E, F. Some extra elements are there. So here all the elements A is there, B is there, C is there, D is there. Then some extra elements want to be there in the codomain set. So E and F. Okay. So that it is called a proper subset. Then mean it is called into function. Okay. It is called what function? Into function. Or else one more definition. What does that means? There exist. What is that? There exists at least one element. There exists at least one element in B. So codomain elements want to compare, so that at least one element in B which is not the image of any element of, not element of A. So from that image there is no pre-image. Okay. So at least one element, E and F, there is no pre-image. So that it is called what function? Into function. That only it is given here. There exists at least one element in B which not the image of any element of A. Okay. So E and F, there is no pre-image. So it is called into function. So compare this, better we will keep this definition, it is easy. Range is a proper subset of codomain means it is called into function. Okay. So the relations will be there. What is that? 1 and into, and then next many one and onto, that relations is there. Okay. Next bijection function. What is bijection function? You see both. What both 1 1 1 to 1 on 2. This both will satisfy means 1 1 and onto it is called bijection. Both the functions also it is satisfies, it is called bijection function. Okay, it is called bijection function. Okay, for example, you look at the error diagram. Here A set, B set. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Here A B C D E. Now see here, this is a function. Now you consider the set A and B. A set also 5 elements, B set also 5 elements. So what is 1 1 function? Distinct element in A has distinct images in B, or else different element in A have different images in B. So it is there. So 1 different image, 2 different image, 3 different, 4 different, 5 different. All the 1 different images are there. And then what is onto function? Onto function means, so every element in B has pre-image want to be there. Yes. So or else range of F is equal to codomain. So a range means A, B, C, D, E. Codomain elements also A, B, C, D, E. So onto functions also it is satisfied. So both the functions also it is satisfies means it is called bijection function. And one more condition is, what does that means? Condition here where n of A is equal to n of B. Not elements. Elements are different, but number of elements in A have number of elements in B. Here totally how many elements? 5 elements. Here also 5 elements. So in bijection function, number of elements in the set A have is equal to number of elements in the set B. So it is both also will be equal. So it is called bijection function. Here 5 elements means here 5 elements. 5 elements also it's mapped into differently. So it is called bijection function. Okay. So all the type of functions over. Using this conditions and the definition, we are going to solve the problems. Okay. See. So see next exercise 1.4, fourth question you see. So that the function f is n tends to n, then means natural number to natural number, defined that f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 1 but not onto. That you want to prove. Okay, that you want to show. So see solution first. Here the function is given function is n tends to n, natural number to natural number. Okay, natural number to natural number means domain, first one is domain, next one is codomain. Domain also natural number, codomain also natural number. You know, natural number is start at, okay, natural number is start at 1 2 3 4 up to etc. Now take first function, given function f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. First domain value you want to substitute. So put x is equal to 1. So f of 1. So 2 of 1 minus 1. What you will get? 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, you will receive answer 1. Next put x is equal to 2 means f of 2. So 2 of 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Next put x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 2 of 3 minus 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. So like that it will go on. At least 3 value you want to substitute. 3 or 5 values want to substitute. So domain values natural number. So I substituted instead of x, I substituted and I received f of x value. Okay. Therefore the function f is equal to, when you are substituting 1 means we received answer. See, when you are substituting 1 means we received answer 1. 2 means 3. 4 means, sorry, 3 means next, 3 means 5. So like that it will go on. Okay. This is function. Now question asked whether it is a 1 1. We want to show that it is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, we received a function f. Now you should draw arrow diagram. An arrow diagram, easily we can tell it is 1 1 and not onto. First domain is natural number. Codomain also natural number. Here 1 2 3 4 up to etc. Here also 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to etc. Now 1 is mapped into 1, 2 is mapped into 3, then 3 is mapped into 5. Okay, like that it will go on. Okay, now 4 uses substitute means here 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7 you will receive. 4 means 7, like that it will go on. Okay, so you should compare like that. Now you check whether it is 1 1 or not. Yes, it is 1 1 because different element, distinct element in domain has distinct images in codomain. Okay, therefore here distinct element in domain, distinct element in domain has have distinct element in domain have distinct images in codomain. So therefore F is 1 1. It is not onto. Why? Because here range you should write. Range is 1 3 4 5 7. Okay, sorry, 4 not 1 3 5 7. So mapped elements are called range, but codomain is natural number. Okay, codomain is natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to etc. This is codomain elements. So you see it is not equal. Yes, so here range of f is not equal to what is onto function. Range of f is equal to codomain means it is onto, but here not equal, therefore f is not onto. Therefore given function, hence given function is 1 to 1 but not onto. So this only we want to show we have received at the same. Okay, that's all. So like that, next problem you want to work out. Fifth question you want to work out. So instead of question asked only it is 1 1 or not. So yes, it is 1 1 only. First reason you write. So instead of m you want to give the values. Instead of m you should give the values, you will receive the answer. Okay. Next see sixth question. Let A set is given 1 2 3 4, domain set is given and codomain set is B is equal to, B set is natural number. Then let f is A tends to B, function is A tends to B, be defined by f of x is equal to x cube. F of x function value is x cube. Then question, two questions is asked. Find the range of f and identify the type of function. Okay, see solution first. So given set you should write domain set is A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B set is natural number. Then means 1 2 3 natural number started to 1 up to etc. So the function is given, function is f of x is equal to x cube. Now put x is equal to 1. So f of 1 cube you will get 1. Put x is equal to 2. Next f of 2 cube. 2 cube value 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 times 1 to multiply. Next x is equal to 3. So f of 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 times 1 to multiply. Next x is equal to 4. F of 4. So 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So like that it will go on. Okay, therefore the function value f is equal to set of order pairs form on to write. 1 you substitute means 1. 2 means the function value is 8. 3 means the function value is 27. 4 means the function value is 64. So up to etc. This is function. Then question asks to find range of f. What is your range? So second element is called range, or else you should draw arrow diagram. You will understand. With the help of this function you map, you will understand. First arrow diagram, A set is only 4 elements 1 2 3 4 and B set is natural number. Natural 1 2 3 4, okay, etc etc, then 8 etc 27 etc 64 etc etc, okay, like that. Now 1 is mapped into 1, then 2 is mapped into 8, 3 is mapped into 27, 4 is mapped into 64, like that it will go on. Okay, now consider first question asked, range of f is equal to, okay, mapped elements are called range. What is that? 1 8 27 64 up to etc you want to put. So this is called range. Okay, sorry, only 64 up to 64 only want to write, should not put etc, because here only 4, A set only 4 elements are there, 4 elements also is mapped, the mapped elements alone write 1 8 27 64, this is called range. Then question asked what type of function it is. So it is, so f is 1 1 and into function. So 1 1 and into function. Yes. So see, what is that definition? 1 1 means distinct element in A have distinct images in B. Okay, so it is there or not? 1 is 1, 2 is different, 3 is different, 4 is different. So all the elements have different images is there, so that it is called 1 1. Then it is into. What is that into function? Here range of f is proper subset of, what is that? Proper subset of codomain. Proper subset of codomain. Yes. What is the range is? Here range of f is only 1 8 27 64 only, but codomain elements are many elements are there. Okay, 2 3 4, after 64 some elements will come, so extra elements will be there, so it is called proper subset. Therefore f is 1 1 and into function. Okay, that's all. See next 8th question. So 7th one we will see later. Then 8th question you see, let A set is given minus 1 comma 1, B set is 0 comma 2 and a function f is A tends to be defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b is an onto function. This only given condition. It is an onto function, then find the value of a and b. So this asked. See solution. First given set you should write. Given A set is minus 1 comma 1 and B set is 0 comma 2, then function f is A tends to be defined by f of x is ax plus b is an onto function. Is an onto function. So onto function means you see here A set, here B set. So here A value is minus 1 1, then B value is 0 2. So minus 1 is 0, 1 is 2. Okay, you can change and map also, it is, you will get answer. Okay, now the function value is f of x is equal to ax plus b. It means when you are substituting x is equal to minus 1 means f of minus 1 value is 0. So see, so now put x is equal to minus 1 means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. F of minus 1 is 0. Actually this is x, this is f of x. So when you are substituting minus 1, f of 1 minus 1 you will receive 0. So now you substitute here f of minus 1 is equal to a of minus 1 plus b. So a of plus b. Now f of minus 1 value is 0. 0 is equal to a into minus 1 minus a plus b. So this is equation 1. Okay, minus a plus b is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Next put x is equal to 1 means f of 1 value is 2. put x is equal to 1, f of 1 value is 2. Okay, f of 1 value is 2. Now you substitute in this equation, f of 1 is equal to a of 1 plus b. So then means f of 1 value is 2. 2 is equal to a plus b. 2 is equal to a plus b. This is equation 2. Okay. Now you solve equation 1 and 2. You will receive a and b value. Okay. Now solve 1 and 2. So first equation you write minus a plus b is equal to 0. Second equation is a plus b is equal to 2. So you should add as it is. Okay, you will eliminate any one of the variable. Minus a and plus a, it will get cancelled. You know how want to eliminate, elimination method. B plus b, you should add 2b. 2b is equal to 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Now b is equal to 2 by 2. Cancel means b value is 1. B value 1, you substitute in equation 2 means 1 also you can substitute, but I am substituting 2. So put b is equal to 1, substitute in 2. Second equation is a plus b is equal to 2. Now a plus b value is 1 is equal to 2. Plus 1, that side go minus 1. So a value will receive as a 1. Okay. Therefore here question asks to find a and b values. Therefore a value is 1, b value also 1. What's up? Next you see we are going to discuss about horizontal line test. Horizontal line test. So in earlier classes we have discussed about vertical line test. Okay, at the same here horizontal line test. So you want to draw one horizontal line. So see, for example, any one of the graph is 1 1 or not. Okay, it is a 1 1 function. To check 1 1 function, we want to use horizontal line test. Okay, what is the definition? First you see. So a function represented, the graph you are telling as a 1 to 1 function means given graph is 1 1 function means if every horizontal line intersects the curve, that means graph is the curve, intersects the curve in at most 1 point. At most 1 point, it is called a 1 1 function. So at most 1 point is intersect the curve in at most 1 point, vertical line want to intersect. So consider any one of the graph. Suppose taking this graph x y. Now you want to draw one horizontal line. You should draw one horizontal line. So I have drawn this horizontal line. This means the curve at this point. Okay, how many points? Only 1 point. So therefore the given graph as a this. The given graph, see, the given graph is 1 1 function. Given graph is 1 1 function. Why? Because the horizontal line intersects the curve in at most 1 point. So the given graph represent as the 1 1 function. Okay, so look at the example, page number in your book, page number 20, example 1.12. So remaining two graphs are there that you want to work out. Okay, whether only 1 point alone you want to draw one horizontal line. The horizontal line is intersect at 1 point means the curve intersect at one point means it is 1 1, or else it's not a 1 1. One more point at intersection means it is not 1 1 function. Okay, that's all.